Welcome back to Crisis Cooking, guys. Today we're gonna make ricotta gnudi with brown butter and sage. For this recipe we will be using salt as much as needed, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of ricotta, parmesan or any other cheese optional, 1 egg, fresh sage, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Sorry guys, I was gonna show you how to form the gnudi dough, but my stupid phone filmed it vertically instead of sidewise, so I'm just gonna have to explain it to you. So, in order to form it, you will have to combine flour, the egg, and ricotta, and a pinch of salt until the dough is formed. And then we're gonna divide it into like 5 pieces to make individual logs. Once the log is ready, we're gonna cut dumplings off of it. Bear with me, I'm just using one hand to hold them on and one to cut the dumplings. And they will resemble gnocchi. Place the gnudi in a container, lightly dust with flour. Okay, now it's time to cook butter long enough for the milk solids to brown and for pretty much all the water to evaporate. The butter will smell kind of like caramel or nutty, and you know it will be done, and then it's time to filter it. In the meantime, I'm bringing water to a boil to cook the gnudi. Remember the rules for cooking pasta. For every 100 grams of pasta or gnocchi or whatever, fresh pasta you're making, you're gonna have to use at least 1 liter of water. And for every liter of water, you will need to use 10 grams of salt. Now I'm filtering butter with a paper towel. It's not ideal. It's better to use a cheesecloth if you have one. Otherwise, paper towels will do. Look at that beautiful brown color. It smells delicious. Okay, the water is boiling. I'm gonna drop in the gnocchi. Just a couple to show you that when they float to the top, they're done. I think strainer. All right. They're floating. So those guys are done. I'm gonna take them out. Sage is ready to go in. Just fry it for about 10 seconds. Then turn off the stove, and it will continue cooking until they're nice and crunchy. Or the gnudi are done. Now I'm gonna throw them in a pan with the brown butter and sage and just mix. You can made a plate already. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cheese. To be honest with you, you don't really need anything else. They're so good that way already. If you have lemon, I highly recommend zesting it on top of the gnudi. It's even better that way.